Good afternoon again, good flower, nice flower, man, Mary, Papua New Guinea. This time, tupla plot or bed lo eggplant. This la eggplant seed e miximate lo Japan na mi karikam. So mi kam na mi planim lo oiska Papua New Guinea lo rabaul. Suppose you like him more video or you like him technique na skills lo farming mo la kind of fruit vegetables osem. You can come long oiska rabaul Papua New Guinea na you kisim training lo organic farming system. So mila tog liglig lo dis la eggplant mixim lo seed o mikarim lo Japanicam na mi planim lo ya. So you got a difference where milukim lo Japan na lo ya lo side lo field management and big plus something. Suppose you committee mo yet na you work lo field lo you og at a time, you ba line planting something lo side lo field where all plants ba line you plant something where you ba work long em. So inside lo this tupla plot or bed mi planim planting something where mi line inside lo ya mi different lo Japan. So lo ya mi lo tropical area mi planim now this la leg plant where mi luki mo sem sun kind of sem ino come up good to mas but time come lo rain time long planti leaf change na only putin planti flower na same time too mo sem only kind of say dwarf type na only start very small fruit blongol where miluki mo sem mi woki one pla kain amamas gen lo mi time only kisim good kalab lo sem green kalab lo leaf na disla. Yes, mi experience lo last tupla muni go pinis semi imi come inside lo dry season na ogeta leaf lo plants inside lo field miluki mo sem only over dry. But 2 to 3 days rain and put on miluki mo sem ogeta plants only senis because only kisim good flower enough lo only produce him lo give him kai ken lo plants. So mi asking me all good flower nice flower man Mary lo Papua New Guinea. Suppose you like have a good lo farming all plants blow lo field or you like have more lo how lo planting all fruit vegetables or leaf vegetables. You can watch him plenty video lo mi pla na you ba sabe one all technique na skills where mi pla lo apply him or carry him out lo field where now you pla looking one pla example when you working style. So this la make plant na me asking you again. Suppose you like him more video lo side lo all fruit vegetables like eggplant or tomato, you subscribe lo channel lo mi pla Green Creation Gardening. Lo watch more video please subscribe na follow. Thank you.